Click on Start icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Click here to open it. On this window, click on File, then select Run New Task. On this window, click on Browse button. Now we need to select this PC, then open C drive. Now just scroll down and open Windows folder. From here we need to open this folder, then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe. Select this and click on open. After that, simply check this box and click on OK. It will open command prompt window. So we already have a list of commands to make it easy for you, and to avoid mistakes, simply open Google Chrome, then type here google.com and hit enter. Now in the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and click here to open it. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. On this window, just scroll down and search for command number 12. So copy this command, simply click on this, right click and select copy. Now go back to command prompt window and right click on command prompt to paste and hit enter to execute it. After that, copy command number 13, go back to command prompt window, right click on black area and simply paste that and hit enter to execute it. Once done, close this command prompt window. We need to open device manager. So on this window, expand disk drives, then right click here, select update drivers. Now just follow my screen, check this option, select this one and click on next. Once done, close this window and select S. It will restart your system. After that, go to search bar and search for advanced system settings. Click here to open it. It will open system properties window, then click on settings, go to advanced tab and select change, then uncheck this option, click on OK and close all windows one by one. Now open settings, then go to recovery tab and simply click on reset PC and check the first option. Now you can use these options. After that, close this window. Now go to search bar and open troubleshoot settings. Click here to open it. Select this option and check run automatically, then notify me option and close this window. After that, go to search icon and type here cmd, right click on it and select run as administrator. Now type chkdsk space /f/r and hit enter, then enter y and hit enter. Once done, close this window and just restart your system. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.